Hey friends, in this video I want to talk about a common thing a lot of us go through. Google what is available online when it comes to making money, and then hopefully we will spend as little time as possible and make as much money as possible. I feel that is a myth. If all you're going to do is Google online and look for online ways to earn money, that is not enough. It will take a lot more of your time, and you might be even scammed, to be honest. So what would I look for if I'm looking for an opportunity to make money? Number one, I'm very interested in a people's related person. I'm interested to know who the person is. I'm interested to be in a room with someone who has already done it and made it big, and if they can teach me how to do that. That's what I would be interested in. So what I would recommend you right now is look for that. Look for people who have done what you want to do, not just online, and even if they were online, somehow connect with them. We live in a digital world, I understand that. So if you can connect with them and ask them and pick their mind and ask them some questions, that does require some time. But don't look for shortcuts. Don't look for how much money they made and how fast. And just because they made money means you're going to make money. That's not how it works. So do your own due diligence. Better get a mentor. Get someone who can guide you in this process. If you're new to this, get a mentor who can guide you through this process. Too many times, too often, I've seen people who have lost more money than what they wanted to make. Why? Because intuition, too quick, impulsive, without actually doing and putting the homework in. So do not just do it half-heartedly. Get all your facts right and then go for it. That's how you do it correctly when it comes to making money online.